Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Knowledge Vault. AI isn't just changing the world, it's changing how we make money. And the best part, anyone can do it. If you want to start earning rupees, Rs 5,000 or more per day in India, keep watching. I'll show you 5 easy AI-powered side hustles that work without coding or investment. Let's go. Method 1. AI content writing. Every business and YouTuber in India needs content, but you don't have to write it yourself. AI tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Gemini can create blog posts for Indian websites, YouTube scripts for viral videos, and Instagram captions for influencers. Where to sell? Fiverr and Upwork, two of the world's largest freelancing platforms for global clients, or directly message Indian YouTubers on Instagram and LinkedIn. Earning potential, Rs 2,000 to Rs 1,000 rupees per day. Method 2. AI graphic design and social media posts. Millions of Indian businesses need designs, but you don't need design skills. AI tools like Canva, Midjourney, and Leonardo can create logos for startups, Instagram and Facebook posts for brands, and t-shirt and print-on-demand designs. Where to sell? Fiverr, Etsy, or Instagram brands and local businesses and influencers. Earning potential, Rs 3,000 to Rs 8,000 rupees per project. Method 3. AI voiceovers and audiobooks. You don't need a great voice to make money with voiceovers. AI tools like ElevenLabs and Murph can generate high-quality voiceovers in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Bengali, and more. You can create YouTube explainer and storytelling videos or audiobooks for self-published authors. So, where do you sell these services? Try platforms like Voices.com and Upwork for international clients, or directly message YouTubers and book publishers in India. The earning potential, anywhere from Rs 4,000 to Rs 1,000 rupees per project. Method 4. AI stock market and crypto trading. AI can help you trade smarter, even if you're new to stocks. Some top AI-powered platforms in India include Zerodha, Grow, AngelLoan, and Smallcase for stock market insights, and Mudrex and Binance for crypto investing. So, how does it work? AI suggests low-risk investments and can auto-invest in high-growth stocks. AI trading bots also track market trends. The earning potential? With smart investing, you could earn between Rs 5,000 to Rs 2,000 rupees per day. Method 5. AI dropshipping and print-on-demand. Want to sell products without keeping stock? AI makes dropshipping easier than ever. You can find trending products on Amazon India, Flipkart, and Meesho. Use AI to design t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, and sell through Shopify, Meesho, or print-on-demand platforms. So, where do you sell? Try Redbubble and Teespring for global customers, and Meesho and Shopify for Indian customers. The earning potential? You could earn between Rs 5,000 to Rs 15,000 rupees per day. AI is not the future, it's the present. Which AI side hustle are you trying first? Comment below. Don't just watch, take action. Hit like, share this with your friends, and subscribe for more powerful money-making ideas. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss a game-changing opportunity. Thank you.